Hi, it's Melanie from Wando Mount Pleasant Library, and I'm here this week to show you how to make the take and make that you picked up at the branch, and we're doing rolled magazine bead bracelets this week. So what you should have got in your little bag are some magazine pages and a little bit of elastic cord that you're going to be threading your beads onto, and a straw, and that's basically it. The supplies you'll need at home are glue and scissors, but everything else that you need should be in the bag that you picked up at the branch. So let's get started. The magazine pages, you just need to cut them into thin triangles, for want of a better term. So that's just a simple slice of your magazine page to make the triangle shape. Kind of looks like that. And then all you need to do is grab your straw and your strips and start with the thicker end of the triangle shape and just hold it against the straw, and you'll just simply be wrapping it around to form the bead. So tucking the end in as tight as you can, and then just as firmly as you can wrap it around. Keep going all the way till you're almost at the end, and then you'll need to grab your glue, get it all the way close like that. Grab your glue and you'll put a little dollop of the glue, don't need a lot, and keep rolling it up until you get the whole tail tucked in. And the glue actually adds a nice shine, but you can also just smooth it around like that, and helps the bead harden. And that's pretty much it. So I've done a couple more here too. You can see I've done those yesterday. So you just slide them off the straw and they form your little beads, and they're quite hard, those ones. So yeah, you just thread them onto the elastic cord, simple as that. Measure it against your wrist and let's snip it. Let's say we'll snip it here. Pull it taut, and what you're going to do is tie a little knot. So just wrap it around your finger, and all you need to do then is trim the ends and bracelet. Let's see if I can fit it. Good to go.